Coding is a modern superpower with the coding Awbie, coding jam, and coding duo from Osmo. Uses hands on physical blocks to control Awbie, a playful character who loves delicious strawberries. Each block is a coding command that directs Awbie on a fun-filled adventure enabling coding and problem-solving. Coding Awbie, basic coding concepts, a great introduction to the coding community. Use coding blocks to learn coding's creative side while developing an ear for rhythm, melody, and harmony. Make your beat come alive while learning patterns and loops with over 300+ musical sounds. Coding jam, intermediate coding concepts. Once a jam has been composed, children can safely share it with family, friends, and the jam community. Solve advanced side-by-side coding puzzles solo or with others, playing at their own level, using teamwork and strategy to unlock new worlds and coding 60+ puzzles. Coding duo, advanced coding puzzles. Osmo games bring a child's creative imagination to life with handheld pieces that interact with an iPad and/or Fire tablet and an Osmo Base. No Wi-Fi necessary for gameplay. Coding starter kit for iPad requires an Osmo Base to play, and this kit ships with an Osmo Base for iPad. Approved by parents and teachers worldwide, used in over 31,000 classrooms. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Osmo is magic. Fun-filled and award-winning learning games. Children interact with actual handheld pieces and an iPad, bringing a child's game pieces and actions to life. No Wi-Fi necessary for gameplay. An Osmo Base is included, an iPad is not included, both are required for gameplay. Number 2. Teaching. Use hands-on physical blocks, coding commands, to control the character Awbie on a fun-filled adventure. Coding Awbie, an introduction to coding. Use coding blocks to learn coding's creative side while developing an ear for rhythm, melody, and harmony. Make your beat come alive. Learn patterns and loops with over 300+ musical sounds. Coding jam. Share a composed jam with family, friends, and the jam community. Solve advanced side-by-side coding puzzles solo or with others, playing at their own level, using teamwork and strategy to unlock new worlds and coding 60+ puzzles. Coding duo. Number 3. Skills learn. Logic, coding fundamentals, basics of programming, solve coding puzzles, teamwork, listening, critical thinking, observation, creative problem solving, music creation and pattern recognition. Osmo sees and reacts to real-life movement. Geared towards children and love of learning. Number 4. Age and capability. Ages 5 to 10+. Games are designed for beginner to expert levels. Osmo enables the continuation of learning. Real-time audio and visual feedback let children learn through experimentation in a stress-free environment. Number 5. What's in the box? Osmo Base and Reflector for iPad, 31 tangible coding blocks including walk, jump, hand, magic, rest, quantifiers, numbers, repeat, subroutines, stackable storage for game pieces, 3 game apps, coding Awbie, coding jam, and coding duo. Number 6. Compatibility for iPad. All iPads except Generation 1, iPad Air 4, iPad Pro 11-inch, and iPad Pro 12.9-inch. The minimum iOS version needed is iOS 10. Number 7. Active screen time. Transforming how children learn. Osmo merges tactile exploration with innovative technology, actively engaging children in the learning process. Number 8. Osmo is changing the way students collaborate, communicate, and create. Osmo revolutionizes technology use in the classroom, enhancing all subjects by combining hands-on activities with engaging applications. With Osmo, students engage longer and build a better collaborative learning environment. Number 9. An easy way to introduce coding to your kids. Transform your tablet into a hands-on coding adventure. Designed for ages 5 to 10, Coding Starter Kit builds coding skills in progression with 3 hands-on learning games. Watch your child learn to code as they connect colorful blocks of code in the physical world to chart the adventure on their screen. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Hey, traducción al español en el programa? Answer. Our apps generally only fully support English, but most of the on-screen prompts are also translated into Danish, Dutch, French, German, Italian, Japanese, simplified Chinese, Spanish, Swedish, and traditional Chinese. To switch Osmo interface messages to a language other than English, you need to change the language setting on your device. After you do that, open any Osmo app, and you will be prompted to select between English and your other language as the preferred language for that Osmo app. Question number 2. Is this program compatible with an iPad mini? Answer. Yes, the Osmo Coding Starter Kit for iPad is compatible with the iPad mini devices. For reference, you can find more information about compatibility on our FAQ page. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.